How to secure your Google Chat with two-factor authentication. For this, first and foremost, open your Google Chat service. Then tap on your profile icon at the top. From here, tap on Manage your Google account. Since it is a Google service, you have to secure using a Google account. From this list, select the option of Security and wait for it to load. So right here, scroll down at the very bottom. And there are some of the methods that you can secure your account. The first one is two-step verification. And another one is the Authenticator, Google Prompt, two-step verification phone, and recovery email. If you want to use an Authenticator, you will find an application called Google Authenticator using your Google Play Store or an App Store. Once you download this application, you just have to scan the QR code, enter a code, and just like that, it will be secured. And the very most oftenly used is this two-step verification. I currently use this as well. So let's go ahead and find it out to how to turn it on. As you can see, my two-step verification is already turned on. For the sake of this video, I will turn it back off real quick. Now, to turn it back on once again, we have to tap on this two-step verification, then scroll down, then tap on Get Started. Now wait for it to load. Now Google will send you a notification to know if it is really you. Just go ahead and tap on Yes in your mobile device, then tap on Continue. Select if you want a OTP code using your text message or phone call, then enter your mobile number. Then right here, you have to enter the code sent to you in your designated phone number. And once you enter your code, just tap on Next. Now here comes the final step. All you have to do is tap on Turn On. Now once you do this, you'll be able to turn on your two-step verification, and anyone, even you, try to log in to any of the Google service, it will notify you using your email address or your phone number. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.